Welcome to A-Tech. If you want to lock your profile on Facebook, this video is exactly for you. So first of all, open Facebook app and click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now under Settings you navigate to Audience and Visibility. Then select Followers and Public Content. So from there you ensure that all the default audience is set to friends. So by default it will either be set to public, but you change everything to friends. So once that is done, then you can go back to Audience and Visibility. Then select Profile and Tagging, make sure that everything is set to either friends or only me. So you do that for every field that has the default audience set to public. So once that is done, then you can go back to your homepage, and while on your homepage, click on your profile icon, then click on the three dots next to View Tools or Add to Story. Now from here what you need to do is, if you have turned on professional mode, you need to ensure that you turn it off. Because one of the reasons as why you don't have the lock profile option. Because you could have turned on the professional mode. So you need to turn off professional mode, so once that is done, then you can go back to your profile, refresh it, and then you click on the three dots next to Edit Profile. And from there now in the Settings menu, you will see the option that has Lock Profile. You click on it, so once you've clicked on it, then you'll see the Lock Your Profile option. Then tap on it, and in that way you'll be able to lock your profile. If you liked the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.